Today we're going to look at a really fun St. Patrick's Day art project that you can use with multiple age groups. In this particular recording, I am completing this project with a child that just turned 3 years old. Since the student that I am working with just turned 3, I did a little extra prep work. On the canvas, I painted on a black pot for our pot of gold and added a curved line. The curved line will help separate the sky from the grass. If your child is older, you can always have them complete this step. I did the prep work the night before. Once everything was dry, I covered that area with paper and added a little tape. The majority of this canvas, the child is going to paint blue. So I just put some blue paint on a paper plate and let them start painting away. If you notice the child painting the same area on the canvas over and over and neglecting other areas, just put a dot of blue paint directly on the sparse locations for them to spread around. Another adjustment that I made was to flip the canvas so that the top was closer to the child. This new angle made it really exciting for the child and it ensured better coverage. Once the sky was all painted, I just flipped the canvas back around. Then I removed the paper that was covering the area where the grass was to go. However, I left the pot covered. I then explained to the child what and where to paint. And yes, my hands got a little messy holding the other paper down. Just remember, it doesn't have to be perfect because it is a child's craft and the imperfections is what makes it precious. Now that the grass is all finished, I removed the last piece of paper covering our black pot and added some glue on top of our pot. Time to add the glitter gold! From the pot of gold to the end of the canvas, we will be creating a rainbow with handprints. We start with the color red. In between each handprint, we washed in a bucket of soapy water and then dried our hands. This is a really adorable craft that children enjoy doing and parents will cherish for a lifetime.